Hey there, DIY dreamers! Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of creativity with 5 amazing DIY projects that will transform your home and spark some serious family fun. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your space or just want to unleash your inner artist, we've got something for everyone. So grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. Ready to bring a little whimsy into your home? Let's craft a polymer clay mushroom mobile. Sculpt adorable mushroom caps and stems from polymer clay, then bake them in the oven according to the package instructions. Once they're cool, paint them in vibrant colors and hang them on a dowel rod. This magical mobile will be the talk of the town, or at least your living room. Let's turn scrap paper into stunning jewelry. Cut long triangles from colorful paper, roll them tightly around a skewer stick, and secure with glue. String them onto elastic cord to create fabulous necklaces or bracelets. You'll be rocking your own handmade accessories in no time. Time to get magical with a DIY fairy garden. Choose a small container, fill it with potting soil, and plant tiny succulents or moss. Decorate with colorful stones and add tiny figurines to create your own whimsical world. This project is perfect for kids and adults alike. Let your imagination run wild. Bring some fluttering fun indoors with beaded paper butterflies. Cut butterfly shapes from colorful scrapbook paper, then add beads on craft wire for antennae. Hang them around your home for an enchanting touch. Finally, let's create whimsical hot air balloons that will lift your spirits. Use multicolored paper to follow a simple template, then add baker's twine for hanging. These charming decorations are perfect for brightening up any space. And there you have it. 5 creative DIY projects that will inspire you and bring joy to your home. Which one are you excited to try first? If you enjoyed these projects as much as I did making them, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY ideas every week. And I want to see your creations. Share pictures in the comments below or tag me on social media.